Dabbleboard is a whiteboard application. It's designed to make it easy for you to draw quickly, visualize your ideas, and share your ideas with others. You just draw just like you would on a regular whiteboard. Dabbleboard will detect basic shapes. You can click anywhere and start typing to enter text, and so on and so forth. Now, because Dabbleboard doesn't require you to keep going back and forth to the toolbar to select your select tool, or your text tool, rectangle tool, and so on, you can draw much faster. A few tricks you might want to know. For circles and lines, just do a few quick strokes, like that. The fastest way to draw rectangles and diamonds is to draw two distinct edges with a distinct corner in the middle. Of course, you can also draw freehand shapes by selecting the freehand button. You can select objects by clicking on them, and click on them again to deselect. Select an empty space to deselect everything, click the Select Area button, and select everything at once. Then you can move, scale, replicate, and delete your selection. The pane on the left is a library pane, which shows the work you've done in the past. You can add something new to your library by taking a selection and just dragging it over. Your library can be rearranged. You can search through it. Here's a UI mockup I did, and these are some of the UI elements I had used to do it. Here's just some fun comic stuff that I can do as well. Well, back to work. Now, how can you use a library? The library pane makes it really easy for you to reuse work that you've done in the past. For instance, we deleted this, dragged over this object, delete everything but the cloud, search for network objects. We can see a laptop, drag it over, and there you have it. Quick and dirty diagram for how the internet works. Now, if you wanted, you could also use images instead of these laptops. Like this image I added earlier. I could use it the exact same way. You can also insert documents and change colors and line thicknesses and so on, like other drawing tools. Those are just some of the drawing features. Dabbleboard is also a collaborative application. You can open the Share panel, copy over the link, and send it via email or instant message. Looks like John's already online and chatting with us. You can also start voice and video chat through TalkBox with them. You can also make a drawing public by clicking the Make Public button. Your drawing can then be viewed by anyone else. If you go to the public library, you'll be able to access other people's drawings, like these toolkits, for instance, and then copy them into your own library. So we could copy this over, go back to our drawing, and if we search for network, you can see we just have the firewall added. Oh, looks like John's making a change. Looks like he replaced the cloud with a globe. We couldn't go through everything, but that should give you an idea of what Dabbleboard can do. We're constantly improving the service, and we'd love your feedback. Thanks a lot for watching.